The most effective Facebook hacking tools in 2025 are open-source projects anyone can access. Used properly, these tools help you identify vulnerabilities and strengthen your defenses. We'll show you how to use them for authorized penetration testing and threat modeling. Let's dive in and see how these tools can protect your digital world. Meet Facebook Toolkit, a tool that aggregates your public Facebook info, bios, posts, likes, and photos. For attackers, it's step 1, building a dossier from what you've shared. But for defenders, it's a mirror. See your digital footprint through an adversary's eyes. Use its report to tighten privacy, scrub old posts, and limit ad interests. Facebook Toolkit shows, don't share what you don't need to. It's a proactive way to turn risk into a teaching moment. Facebook's download your information feature gives you a zip file packed with personal data. Tools like FB Data Forensics reveal what's hidden inside: messages, photos, login history, and metadata. You'll see maps of logins, device timelines, and the story your metadata tells. It's a wake-up call. Consider stripping location data or masking IPs before sharing. Protect your data wherever it goes, not just on the server. In digital investigations, trust in your evidence is everything. Focare is a tool for verifiable collection of public Facebook data. It creates a cryptographic hash, logs time and source, ensuring a tamper-evident audit trail. If the data changes, the hash won't match. You'll know. Focare's real innovation is its focus on integrity and transparency. Automation is a double-edged sword. Facebook Scraper, a Python library, can extract public Facebook info at scale. In the wrong hands, it's a data harvesting machine. For defenders, it's a way to simulate bot attacks in a lab. Use it to test your platform's defenses, rate limits, IP blocking, and privacy controls. Configure it to mimic real-world scraping, different speeds, IPs, and targets. This stress tests your systems, revealing if your limits are too lenient or too strict. It also tests caching. Are you serving efficient pages to bots or straining your infrastructure? Most importantly, it checks if privacy settings actually block scrapers. By running these simulations, you validate your defenses before real attackers do. It's about finding and fixing weaknesses proactively. Automation, when used ethically, is your best sparring partner. OSINT, Open Source Intelligence, connects the dots between your online identities. Tools like FBASINT reveal how emails, usernames, or photos link your accounts. Even if you're careful, invisible threads can connect your profiles. Understand linkability. Build stronger walls between your identities. Your social graph, your list of friends, is one of the most sensitive pieces of public info. FB Friend List Scraper extracts public friend lists, mapping your personal and professional relationships. For attackers, this reveals networks of influence and potential targets for social engineering. For defenders, running this tool with permission makes the risk tangible. Seeing hundreds of exposed connections in a spreadsheet is eye-opening. It justifies stronger privacy controls. Friend lists should default to friends only or only me. Tools like this push for more granular controls. Maybe you want to show colleagues but hide family. Defensive analysis leads to better product suggestions, like friend groups or custom visibility. It's about curating your public persona and protecting your private network. Don't let your connections become your weakest link. Control not just your content, but your relationships. What happens when you combine all these tools? Enter Ultimate Facebook Scraper, UFS, an umbrella framework integrating multiple scrapers. For attackers, it's an all-in-one reconnaissance suite, mapping entire networks and communities at scale. For defenders, UFS is a way to stress test your platform against coordinated, distributed attacks, simulate botnets, test advanced threat detection, and look for ghost data, information that should be deleted but isn't. UFS uncovers edge cases, manual testing misses, like accessing data from deactivated accounts. It's a red team tool, showing how minor leaks can combine into major exposures. For blue teams, UFS logs provide a roadmap for tightening access controls and writing better detection rules. It's about preparing for the perfect storm by creating one in a safe environment. See how attackers think, and you'll know how to defend. The best defense is a well-tested one. Don't wait for the storm, simulate it. Facebook isn't just profiles, it's pages for businesses and organizations, each with its own attack surface. Metascan is a specialized scanner for probing public Facebook pages for security misconfigurations. It checks for risky third-party apps, exposed API keys, and insecure links. For organizations, Metascan turns abstract risks into a concrete to-do list. It might flag a high-risk exposed token or an outdated chatbot with vulnerabilities. Regular scans help harden your social media presence, extending your security posture beyond your own servers. Your Facebook page is part of your brand and security perimeter. Don't let it be your weakest link. Metascan helps you see your page as an attacker would. Take responsibility for every digital asset you control. Proactive scanning is key to a secure public face. Social media incident response is chaos, unstructured, fast, and relentless. ForensiFeed is a tool that normalizes public feeds into structured logs, turning chaos into order. It breaks down posts, comments, and shares into queryable fields: timestamp, author, content, links, image hashes. Analysts can now search, filter, and detect threats like tracking malicious links or viral disinformation. Structured data enables real threat hunting and post-incident forensics. You can reconstruct events, trace narratives, and identify key amplifiers. Screenshots aren't enough. Structured logs are essential for deep analysis. ForensiFeed embodies a core security principle. You can't defend what you can't see. Turn noisy streams into actionable intelligence. Structure is the foundation of modern security operations. Use Eureka to search internal datasets for Facebook-related info, profile URLs, emails, messenger snippets. Scan code repositories and flag risky content for compliance audits. Identify insecure sharing of Facebook links to address training gaps. In a breach, use Eureka to quickly assess exposed Facebook data. Regularly self-audit and strengthen defenses. Always find your sensitive data before attackers do. Only test in authorized environments, your own systems, labs, or with explicit permission. Using these tools without consent is illegal and unethical. If you find a real vulnerability, document it, report it privately, and give the platform time to fix it. Work with defenders through responsible disclosure. Let integrity and safety guide every action. Use these tools to stress test Facebook security and identify vulnerabilities before attackers do. Always follow ethical guidelines and act responsibly. Apply your skills to strengthen defenses and protect users. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.